Good morning, friends. Today we have to discuss here the new chapter as a chemical kinetics. In this chapter, the kinetic word is related to the speed of a body as well as vehicle. You know that how you can calculate the speed of any vehicle. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. But this chapter is named as chemical kinetic. That means we have to find out here the speed of chemical reactions. That means it is this chemical kinetic is a branch of physical chemistry. It is a branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of. It is a branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of rate of reaction, factors affecting the rate of reaction, factor affecting the rates of reaction, factor affecting the rate of reaction, and the mechanism by which the reaction proceed. That means we have to define here the we have to find out the definition of this chemical kinetic. Chemical kinetic is a branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of rate of reaction, factor affecting the rate of reaction, and the mechanism by which the reaction proceed is known as a chemical kinetic. In that chemical kinetic, we have to find out the rate of chemical reaction. How you can calculate the rate of chemical reactions? What is meant by the rate of reactions? Rate of reaction means the change in molar concentration of molar concentration molar concentration of reactant, change in molar concentration of reactant or product per unit time is known as rate of reactions, is known as a rate of reaction. Rate of reaction means the change in a molar concentration of any one of the reactant or a product per unit time is known as a rate of reaction. That means we have to define here a simply rate of reaction which is denoted by the letter R. R means R is equal to change in concentration divided by time. We have to also find out the formula for this rate of reaction is a change in concentration divided by time. Suppose any one of the hypothetical reaction, we have to take an example of a hypothetical reaction. Suppose a hypothetical reaction is, suppose a hypothetical reaction A changes to B. That means in that reaction we have to consider here A is a reactant and B is a product. In that reaction, when the product is formed, then the concentration of reactant is decreases. That means in any one of the reaction, concentration of reactant decreases. Then the concentration at that time, the concentration of product is increases. In that reaction, if we have to find out the rate of reaction, then rate of reaction is always equal to decrease in the concentration of a reactant, decrease in concentration of reactant, and it is always equal to the increase in the concentration of product, increase in concentration of product. Rate of reaction of above reaction is, rate of reaction is equal to the decrease in the concentration of a reactant, which is always equal to the increase in the concentration of product. In mathematical form, we have to write this rate of reaction or rate is equal to minus grad A divided by grad T. Minus, why we have to use here a negative sign? Negative sign indicates that the decrease in the concentration of reactant. Grad sign is used for a change, and this box square bracket indicates that the concentration box, and A is the reactant. That means we have to read it, decrease in the concentration of reactant A with respect to time. Similarly, in case of product, there is an increase in a product, therefore we have to use here a sign plus, grad concentration of B divided by grad T. In the, for the above chemical reaction, we have to find out the rate of reaction in such a way, minus grad A by grad T is equal to plus grad B by grad T. If the number of reactants are changed, this is the one of the example of this, how you can find out the rate of reaction. But we have to consider here a next example. If we have to add some more reactant as well as the coefficient of product is increases, that means we have to take here a next example. Suppose a hypothetical reaction is A plus B changes to twice C. There are two reactants A and B, and here one type of product, but it is a two times. That means in that example we have to find out here the rate of reaction. Here the rate of decrease in the concentration of reactant A. Here we have to find out decrease in the concentration of reactant B. But in case of product C, here twice the rate of increase in the concentration of product. That means this product is increases two times. That means rate of disappearance of reactant two times, and rate of disappearance of product reactant B two times. That means rate of appearance of product C one time, but disappearance of A and B is two times. Here we have to write the rate of reaction in such a way, rate is equal to minus rate of, we have to find out the rate of reaction for each reactant, rate of disappearance or decrease, rate of disappearance of reactant A, rate of disappearance of reactant A minus grad A divided by grad T. Similarly, rate of disappearance of reactant B minus grad concentration of B divided by grad T. But the rate of appearance of product is equal to, this 2 becomes a fraction, that means 1 by 2. It is a product, therefore we have to use here a sign plus grad concentration of C divided by grad T. That means 1 by 2. Why we have to use here 1 by 2? Because if the coefficient becomes, if the coefficient is 2, then it is taken as a fraction 1 by 2, grad C by grad T. This positive sign indicates in front of this equation, plus 1 by 2 grad C by grad T. That means the rate of above reaction is written in such a way, minus grad A divided by grad T is equal to minus grad B minus rate is equal to minus grad A divided by grad T is equal to minus grad concentration of B divided by grad T is equal to plus 1 by 2 grad concentration of C divided by grad T. This is the rate of reaction for this hypothetical reaction. A plus B changes to twice C. Now we have to take here a next example. First one example is twice N2O5 changes to 4NO2. Twice N2O5 changes to 4NO2 plus O2. Twice N2O5 changes to 4NO2 plus O2. Then we have to find out here the rate of reaction. Rate is equal to coefficient 2, therefore it becomes as a half. Reactant, therefore negative sign, minus 1 by 2 grad concentration of N2O5 divided by grad T. This is the rate of disappearance of N2O5. R rate is equal to minus 1 by 2 grad N2O5 divided by grad T is always equal to the plus. Why we have to use here a plus sign? Because it is a product. For 1 by 4 grad concentration of NO2 divided by grad T. Plus sign for a product. Here 4 is a coefficient, therefore it is taken as a fraction 1 by 4 grad NO2 divided by grad T. Similarly, plus sign grad concentration of O2 divided by grad T. This is the rate of reaction for above chemical reaction. Now next example is N2 plus thrice H2 changes to twice NH3. Here nitrogen gas when combined with hydrogen, then it gives ammonia. Here there are two reactants, that means two types of reactant and one types of product. Here we have to write the rate of reaction for above reaction is the rate of reaction is equal to negative grad concentration of N2 divided by grad T is equal to 3 is a coefficient, therefore first we have to use here a sign negative. 3 becomes as a 1 by 3 grad concentration of H2 divided by grad T is equal to plus. Why plus? Because it is a product. 2 is a coefficient, therefore it is become as a fraction 1 by 2 grad concentration of NH3 divided by grad T. This is the rate of reaction for next reaction N2 plus thrice H2 twice NH3. Similarly, you can find out the rate of reaction for various chemical reaction. This is the all total concept about the rate of reaction. What is meant by the rate of reaction? Change in a concentration per unit time. Now we have to stop here. Now next topic is in our next video. Thank you.